Oh, bell peppers, my favorite snack. Oh no, I'm out of dip. I guess I better make some then, huh? So, as you guys heard, I was out of dip. So, we're gonna be making bacon and cottage cheese dip. First thing is you're gonna need 8 slices of bacon, and I'm doing half the recipe because I don't need that much. All right, so there's 8 slices of bacon, and you guys can cook this however you want to. I'm gonna cook it in the oven just because it's a little bit easier, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, so now that I got the bacon going, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the rest of it, and then we'll add the bacon when the bacon is finished. Okay, so first thing is your cottage cheese, and I'm gonna be using about 1/4 pound. I'm just gonna eyeball this. So that looks about good. And then you got mayonnaise. And then onion salt, garlic powder, and lemon juice. And the recipe called for milk, but unfortunately we're out. So I'm gonna be using water and a dash of cayenne pepper. And then we're just gonna mix this baby on up, and then we'll wait for the bacon to get finished, and then we'll add the bacon when it's done. That smells pretty good. And then so when the bacon's finished, we're just gonna go ahead and crumble it, and we're gonna add it into the mixture, and we'll mix it all together. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Heck yeah. It's really good. So good. You mind if I double dip?
Well, how is it? Because I haven't even had a chance to try it yet.
Isn't that delicious? I don't know what I'm more surprised by. The fact that you made a dip or you're eating vegetables.
Little did she know I can cook.
Where did you get this recipe?
Sunset Appetizer Cookbook from 1965.
So you said this is from the Sunset Appetizer Cookbook from 1965.
Yep.
I'm seeing the recipe right here, bacon cottage cheese dip. And it says you can please Weight Watchers if you serve this dip with vegetables instead of chips, though it's delicious with both. They thought this was maybe a healthier recipe.
Try that. Get a big piece of bacon with it. Tell me that's not delicious.
It's very, very good.
Molly approved.
There's some people that eat high protein diets, and this would be a good option for them because you've got the cottage cheese and the bacon in here. I mean, you could serve this with a variety of crackers. You could serve, I mean, obviously it's delicious with vegetables, and we just have cut up cucumbers and bell peppers here.
You could serve it with chips.
Yeah, or chips.
Chips.
Like what Dan said, chips would be good. So Dan, what possessed you to make a dip?
You didn't have any in the fridge. Slacker.
We've been out. If it gets us to eat more vegetables, then it's worth it. Well, good work.
Thanks. So there you guys have it. Nice, easy dip. Finish it, baby.
Finish it, baby.
Finish the vid.
Well, Dan's always making snacks.
I'm not. She makes me.
So if you want to see more vintage snacks like this bacon cottage cheese dip, then please subscribe and hit the like button. I upload new content every Wednesday and sometimes on Fridays. And Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes. So I hope to see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.